Who is considered the final prophet in Islam? Answer: Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. In which city was Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, born? Answer: In Mecca. What is the holy book of Islam? Answer: Quran Pak. Which angel delivered message to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Answer: Angel Jibrail. What is the first pillar of Islam? Answer: Shahada, declaration of faith. In which month is fasting observed during Ramadan? Answer: Ramadan. What is the annual pilgrimage to Mecca called? Answer: Hajj. Which is the significance of the black stone in the Kaaba? Answer: It is believed to have been placed by the Prophet Ibrahim and Ismail salam. What is the name of night journey of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Answer: Miraj. What is the meaning of Bismillah? Answer: In the name of Allah. Which prophet is known for building the ark? Answer: Prophet Noah alayhi salam. What is the second pillar of Islam? Answer: Salah, prayer. Who is the cousin and son-in-law of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Answer: Hazrat Ali radiallahu anhu. What is the third pillar of Islam? Answer: Zakat, the charity. In which month do Muslims believe the Quran was revealed? Answer: Ramadan. Who is known as the mother of the believers? Answer: Hazrat Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anhu. What is the fourth pillar of Islam? Answer: Psalm, fasting. What is the significance of the Battle of Badr? Answer: It was a key battle in early Islam where Muslims achieved a decisive victory. What is the fifth pillar of Islam? Answer: Hajj. What is the term for the Muslim call to prayer? Answer: Adhan. What is the name of the Islamic holy month of mourning? Answer: Muharram. Who was the first caliph after Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Answer: Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu. What is the significance of Laylat Al Qadar? Answer: It is the night of the power better than thousands months mentioned in the Quran. What is the name of angel who records a person's deeds? Answer: Kiraman Katibin. Which prophet is associated with the patience and perseverance? Answer: Prophet Ayub alayhi salam. What is the Islamic term for the lawful or permitted? Answer: Halal. Which angel will blow the trump to announce the day of judgment? Answer: Israfil AS. What is the significance of the Battle of Uhud? Answer: It was a battle between Muslims and the Quraysh in which Muslims faced initial setbacks. What is the term for the Islamic declaration of faith? Answer: Shahada. What is the punishment for thief in Islamic law? Answer: amputation of the hand. What is the Islamic term for the prohibited in unfull law? Answer haram. What prophet is known as the friend of Allah? Answer Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. What is the significance of the Battle of Khyber? Answer: it was conflict between Muslim and Jews community of Khyber. What is the term for the annual asam giving in Islam? Answer: zakat. Which wife of Prophet Muhammad is known for her charity work? Answer: Salma. What is the significance of the Treaty of Hudaybiyah? Answer: it was peace treaty between Muslims and the Quraysh. What is the name of angel who will question people in the grave? Answer: Munkar and Nakir. What is the significance of the Battle of Trench? Answer: Muslims successfully defend against the coalition in Medina. What is the Islamic term for pilgrimage to Mecca outside the designated time? Answer: Umrah. Who is the father of Prophet Ibrahim? Answer: Azar. What is the term for Islamic juristic reasoning by analogy? Answer: Qiyas. Which prophet is mentioned most frequently in the Quran? Answer: Prophet Musa alayhi salam. What is Islamic term for the voluntary night prayer? Answer: Qiyamul Layl. What is the significance of Battle of Khandak? Answer: a battle where Muslims faced Khandak. Answer: a battle where Muslims faced challenges despite their numerical superiority. What is the term for the migration of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to Medina? Answer: Hijrah. Which prophet is known for wisdom and justice? Answer: Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam. What is the significance of Battle of Siffin? Answer: a battle during the first fitna between Ali and Muawiyah. What is the term for Islamic legal opinion? Answer: Fatwa. Which caliph is known for the compiling the Quran into single book? Answer: Caliph Uthman Radiallahu anhu. What is the term for the Islamic declaration of faith for someone in their deathbed? Answer: last word or shahada.